Good morning to all of you. So yesterday we have left out the Hindu news article. So in this video I am going to share the today's and also the yesterday's both newspaper articles. So start with the yesterday, that means the 25th July. First, the open page. Cases cross 13 lakh mark. Daily deaths are over 750. GS paper 2. An Asha, an auto and a EN for service. GS paper 4. Case study example. Then the editorial arms and the woman. GS paper 3. The spectre of crowds in the COVID city. GS paper 2. Staying away from political thickets. This is not mandatory. This is optional. If you want to read, then it's come under GS paper 2. Then the news page. Eminent dancers and artist Amala Shankar takes last bow. GS paper 1. China yet to disengage from LAC sports. GS paper 2 and 3 both. No business as usual with China envoy. GS paper 2 and 3 both. India China set for more military talks. GS paper 2 and also from GS paper 3. Phase 1 clinical trials for Covaxin kick off. GS paper 2. Read the President and NHRC from the Lakshmikant static 1. This is from GS paper 2. India invites Israeli defense campaigns to strengthen ties. GS paper 3. Then the world page. US accuses Russia of testing weapons in space. GS paper 3. India Sri Lanka seek to reset ties in the time of polls and pandemic. GS paper 2. Then come the business page. Banks gross NPAs may climb to as much as 14.7% by March. RBI. GS paper 3. Then the life page, last page. Meet Pune's warrior grandmother. GS paper 1, and also you can use this as an example. Then come to the 26th July, that means today's newspaper, Sunday. Open page. Ladakh left out in the cold 11 months after becoming a UT. GS paper 2. Army is working to restore LAC position. GS paper 3. UN report flags IS threat in Karnataka, Kerala. GS paper 3. Then the news page. Made in India, the handmade coffee of a Stradivarius violin. GS paper 1. Kovind completes 3 years in office. GS paper 2. Important from the President chapter. IIT Kharagpur develops rapid test kit. GS paper 3. World. Then the page world. Australia rejects China's sea claims. GS paper 2. Then the business. Copious monsoon rains spur summer crop showing in India. GS paper 3. Then the page science and technology. GS paper 3. How wearing mask cut coronavirus transmission to 139 clients in a salon. But it's not so much important. You can skip this one. Meet the tiny bug slaying ancient relative of dinosaurs and petrosaurs. GS paper 3. Of mice and SARS-CoV-2. GS paper 3. How young Asian elephants learned to bend their trunks left or right. GS paper 3. Then the frequently asked questions. Here you will get 3 articles, but 3 articles, all of them are important, so I have not write it down here. So all are related to COVID-19 or the coronavirus. So in this paper, almost you have to read the 15 topics from today's newspaper.